Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have the June Allure Beauty Box. I saw a lot of people get this last week. When I saw that they got it, I looked at my email and mine had just been labeled. So I don't know why it's so far behind, but it is. But I did cut it open. It's sealed here and I cut it open. And let's get in there and see what's in there. The box seems a little different. Maybe not. It's red inside. There's always a nice brochure with a pretty lady on it there. And they do have this in there. The best gift for Father's Day, graduation, or any day. Might be a little late for that right now, but well, you might not get it in time, but you can tell your dad about it if you get it for Father's Day. So they do have some nice boxes online. You have to be a member to shop there. So now if there's a version, oh, there is a version there. Well, there's something down here that's like, oh my goodness, it's like silver on her hand. I cannot even read it. 0623 version 2. Can you see that, y'all? That gray? Youch. Okay, anyway, let's see what I got. I did see spoilers, and what I see right at this very quick view is exactly what I saw in the spoilers. So I'm not sure what could be different. There is a little card from Mud Masky in here. Do we have anything from Mud Masky in here? Okay, I don't see anything from Mud Masky, but we have a card from them. And it says, oh, limited offer only, well, whatever. You can scan this and I don't know, only 999 coupons. You can go to their shop and get 50% off. If y'all want to scan that. Mud Masky is a great product line. Anything I've ever had from them, I really like. And I don't think it gets a lot. I don't think it gets enough, kudos, because it really is good. Okay, let's see. So, Mud Masky is the, what in the world? I don't have anything from them. Okay. They are the sponsor of the box. So, this $15 item you can get for $5 on Amazon. It says Saved by the Scrub for underarms. Fresh armpits for 16 hours without using deodorant. That's what that says back there. I don't have any of it in my box. So anyway, let's see what I got in my box. I'm trying to open the little brochure. Okay, I have this item, Paul Mitchell. It's a great product line. This is a tea tree special. Does it say? It says Paul Mitchell in the brochure. I don't see that it says Paul Mitchell anywhere on this bottle. Ooh, and it's loose. Oh my goodness, it's loose, y'all. Let's see how it opens. It opens like the, okay, it's sealed. So this was loose. This looks like when you're gonna take that seal off and then it'll squeeze out of there. So, and there's no way to close it once you do that. So it says Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. Removes buildup and adds shine. I'll let you look at the bottle. Once a week, use this in place of your regular shampoo. Squirt it onto your scalp, massage, and rinse after 1 to 3 minutes. So $28.50, and this is a full size, 6.8 ounces, $28.50. This box is, I think it went up to $25 a month, $24.99 maybe, $25 I think it is. And you can get it at a discount if you buy for longer periods. It's well worth $25, definitely. This box I think is a fantastic value. You get 3 full size and 3 deluxe samples. That's what you usually get in here. Sometimes you get some bonuses. So this is full size and this is $28.50, so that right there pays for the box. And it says tea tree. It's got this tea tree on it. That looks like the brand name, but it says it's Paul Mitchell. Oh, it does say on the back, John Paul Mitchell. There he is. Okay, he's been around a long time. So that is something interesting. A detoxing shampoo. All right, detoxing kombucha rinse. Then we have this April Skin. This is a Keratin IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. I love a cleansing balm. This packaging is really pretty. Very summery. Very summery. This is $28 for the full size, which is 90 mLs. And this, does it say how many mLs are on here? I don't know. 10. This is 10 mLs. Super cute. Great for traveling. And that you can see that it's a, you know, the cleansing balms are very waxy looking, but they don't necessarily feel waxy. But they're wonderful for taking eye makeup off, especially mascaras. And if you have on dark stuff, it doesn't, maybe a slight little orange scent to it. That is very nice. I like that. April Skin. All right. Next we have, what else we got? We have this cute little thing, Natura Ecos. That is a body lotion, okay? It says the full size is $27 for 400 mLs, and this is 30 mLs. That looks like a good bit in there though. The first thing you'll notice is that a warm, sexy scent transports you to the beach. Then you'll quickly realize how soft and smooth this body lotion leaves legs and arms, making it perfect for summer. After showering, it says smooth a little over, let's see, I think it's sealed. We're gonna open it because I wanna smell it. It's got a nice seal on it though. How you'll use it. It says use it after the shower, smooth it on your arms and legs and chest. Okay. It is, oh, it's very rich. It says that it's rich, tropical. Oh, it has these words I can't pronounce with like upside down stuff and whatever. Seed butters. Oh wow, it's nice and rich. It has a scent, very mild scent. I don't really like, I'm not transformed to the beach. Sexy beach. I can smell a little citrus, I want to say. We are vegan. Our products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. Oh, it feels really good. I do not really, it doesn't have a strong scent at all. It's nice. I like it. All right, next up, and that of course is a deluxe sample. And here's another deluxe sample. This is a Vita brand Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner. So this could go well. I mean, you could use this and then use this after. Some of the leave-in conditioners, we get so many. I've been trying some, and I'll use them, you know, to before I flat iron my hair. After my hair's dry. So this says just in time for the season's humidity-induced frizz. This leave-in conditioner smooths flyaways without dragging down your roots or flattening your hair's natural texture. It couldn't be easier to apply. A quick mist is all you need, and it makes hair shiny and hydrate on the spot. Mist the spray onto wet or dry hair. You can use it either way for a quick shot. Okay. Avita's a great product line. Doesn't really have much of a scent. It is $13 for 30 mLs, and this is, oh, this is 30 mLs. This is full size to you. It says that it is 30 mLs. $13. All right. Then we have Saturday Skin. Saturday Skin is a really good product line. Everything about this is pretty, from the whip texture to the soft glow it leaves on you. It's a Preppy Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Can you say all that really fast? This is full size, $45. It's for 45 mLs. Cute, cute packaging. Now, this is filled to right here. Saturday Skin, I love this kind of a tube because it's not gonna roll or go anywhere. It's nice and flat. Power Whipped Cream. It's sealed, of course, so I'm gonna leave it sealed. This is One Decadent Moisturizer. Where is it for? Let's see if we can figure out what it's for. As the whipped texture sinks into the skin, it feels deeply moisturizing and leaves complexions velvety soft with a natural looking glow. That's for your face then. There is no obvious residue, so it layers seamlessly under sunscreen and makeup. The scent is faint when you first apply it, fresh and pleasant, like a citrus candy, and fades after it dries down. Okay, so $45 for this, y'all. Saturday Skin is good. I've had a few things from them in the past. They have really nice sheet masks. A lot of their products are meant for acne or for young skin, oily skin. So this doesn't say that about it, but it doesn't say what kind of skin it's for. I'll have to figure that out. Uh-oh, fighting going on. Not sure who that is. Anyway, full size. And then the last product is the Glow Recipe. This is valued at $35 for this full size item. A one and done product for extra illuminating skin. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. We've had this before. It's beautiful. You know, it's a beautiful, it's stuck in the packaging. Okay. Look at how cute that is inside, watermelons and all. And it's beautiful. I've had it before. I personally have not tried it because it has niacinamide in it, which is mostly for oily skin, acne prone skin. But anybody can use niacinamide. It's a serum. This is heavy. It's cute. It's like a little light bulb. It's really cute. Niacinamide is a powerhouse that can boost radiance, decrease redness, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation. So see, you can use, anybody can use it, really. In this lightweight, cooling pink formula, its gel-like texture is perfect for summer. The superstar ingredient makes skin super bright. This multitasking serum is also fortified with antioxidant watermelon extract and moringa seed oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid. So maybe I will try it because I usually don't. No singular product has visibly reduced my redness and enhanced my glow as well as the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops has, says Sarah Hand. She is one of the editors, I guess. All right, so there you go. We've got the Glow Recipe and the Saturday Skin full size. These are full size. The Paul Mitchell Hair Shampoo, detoxifying shampoo. So this box is well over $100 in value. And then this also said it was a full size. And then we have the skin. This is really nice. My skin still feels nice from it. Sometimes body lotions can aggravate me just because they're too thick or whatever. We've got this cute little cleansing balm. And I'm thinking we had one other thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that everything? That's everything. 6 things. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. I'll take pictures and put this on Instagram if you're interested in seeing more about it. And thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all.